Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to connect a headphone to your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. If you would like to connect a Bluetooth enabled headphone to your phone, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is, first of all, I play a video here. Okay, see here. See here, it is playing in my phone speaker. If you like to play this video to Bluetooth enabled headset, yes, you can do it. What you do is go to the top notification area, and here just click on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth, and it will be scanning Bluetooth devices nearby your phone. This is the wireless Bluetooth I have, and this is called Iser Style 600. Yes, it is scanned here, and just I click on pair and click on pairing, and pairing will be done. Yes, here you can adjust the volume. Okay, yes, I think it has been done. Now I am checking, and I go to same video, and I am playing now. Listen here, it's playing, but it's not playing. Audio is not playing in my phone. It already gone to the Bluetooth enabled headset. Okay, in this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection to a headset over wireless in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.